The Nest Thief and the Crow's Revenge. A crow lived peacefully in a tree, but a serpent in the hollow below kept eating her eggs. Helpless, she turned to a fox for advice. The fox said, "Drop a queen's jewel near the snake's hole." So the crow flew to the riverbank and stole a golden chain from the palace maidens. As guards chased her, she dropped it at the snake's burrow. The guards dug in, found the snake, and killed it to retrieve the jewel. The crow's nest was finally safe, her enemy gone thanks to wit and wise allies. Moral of the story: a sharp mind can defeat even the most dangerous enemy.